Hi guys, Tony with Alpha Rockers Four-Wheeling Friends. I thought I'd share with you today a little something that one of my sponsors sent. GearAmerica sent me this really cool gear bag with a lot of goodies in it. Let's take a peek and see what it's got. Got a nice 3-inch by 20 foot toe strap. These things are really well made, rated at 30,000 pounds. These things are super nice. We've got a 3-inch by 8 foot tree saver winch line or winch strap. These things come in really handy. Instead of having somebody hanging off your rig or jumping on your rig, they can hook this up and give it a pull rather than endangering themselves. This thing's really handy. And we got on the inside here a pair of work gloves. Some nice 23-ton D-ring shackles. You can get all this stuff in, other than the toe straps, I think you can get all this stuff in different colors. They offer different colors, or will be offering different colors. I'm not sure if they're doing that yet, but you got 2 nice D-ring shackles and a 9-ton snatch block. Really nice. But the cool part about this whole thing is the bag. This is designed, me and Roger talked about it, and he took my idea and turned this bag into a winch line dampener, so you no longer have to use your coat or floor mats or something like that. You drape the bag over your winch line. It's got some Velcro on the bottom to hold it together. Put some weight in some of the pockets, so it has some mass to it, and safety first. That's the way it is. This whole thing sells for around $120. If you buy all this stuff separately, it'd be somewhere in the ballpark of $200. So you're making a pretty good savings by buying it as a whole kit. I love it. It's great. We'll see how it works when we get it out on trail, but that's it for today. Thanks. Bye.